All right, guys, we're here at the beach, and we got everything set up for you guys. Oh man, I can't believe it's another fun day at the beach. Another fun summer day at the beach. Yes, Charlie. And not only you came along, your cousin came. Hi. Yeah, Max came along too. All right, you ready to go? All right, you guys can go play. Okay. No, wait, wait. Mace, don't forget your sunscreen. Oh, Mophie, you always want to make sure that we got sunscreen on us. I was gonna say ice cream. Okay, here you go. Let me put it on. All right, Max, your turn. All right, and if you start getting a tan on your skin, it's over there if you need it. Okay, come on, Max Pooch. I can't wait to go into water with that later. Whoa, look at that. Mophie set up a sand pit for us. Let's slide down. Whee! Here I come. Do, 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 do. Woo! Ow! That was a fail. It's so squishy. I'm all. Whoa! Ooh. Smell cool. Wait, what can we use this for? Let's use it for... Maybe we could jump off. Whoa! Cannonball! 3, 2, 1, chicken! Oh, Charlie. Whee! 3, 2, 1, chicken nuggies! Charlie, do that again. That was funny. You want me to make a funnier one? 3, 2, 1, Kentucky Fried Chicken! That's so funny. Wait, I have an idea. Let me see it. Let's put some of these on the slide. Some sand going down the slide. Landing on mash. Okay, it wouldn't work. Max, where are you going? Max? What is that? Do you want to play? Well, yes, but I'm just curious. Curious about what? Who's Dad over there? Huh? Oh, I don't know. I didn't even see him there. I'm gonna go check. You stay here. Hi. Oh, hi. Charlie. Wow, I never recognized you. Wait, Luke? Luke? My old friend? Oh my goodness. Long time no see, buddy. Where's your brother? Where's Sam? Oh, he's gone at the trailer for the night. What are you doing here by yourself? I'm not by myself. My owner's in the car. Ew. I just wanted to come to see the waves. Oh, well, can you ask your owner if you can come play with us? Sure, I would love to come play with you. Guess what, Charlie? What? I heard that I'm in your class this year. Really? You're going to be in my grade 5 class? When we go back to school, I'm going to be right in your class. Whoa! Oh, Miss. All right, well, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Oh, I never seen this dude before. Who's he? Oh, he's my cousin. He's staying with us, and then he's staying with us for the summer. But when it's fall, like when we go back to school or something, he's gonna go back at fall. He lives in Ontario, and he comes to see me every now and then. Every summer he comes to see me, and then in the fall time he leaves. Hi, my name is Max. Nice to meet you. Hi, Max. My name is Luke. Feel free to call me Maxie Pooch. Huh? Oh, I call him Maxi Pooch as his nickname. Oh, okay, Maxi Pooch. You sound just like me. Well, enough with the chatting. Let's go play. Mash, I like your hat, by the way. Thank you. I guess it's pretty unique. We're playing in the Sham Pit. Whoa! Cool. You can jump in, too, if you want. Or slide in. You have two options. Jump in or slide down. Oh, cool. Makes a pooch. I think I'd rather jump in. Look out, Max. Ooh. Wow, it's so squishy. I'm on. So how old is your cousin? 4. 4? No, he's 5. 5? Okay. Yeah, your birthday was in July, right? So I'm 5 now. And I'm going to kindergarten. Oh, good for you. Shmo, how is Steveville Crossing these days? Good. Pretty good. Steveville Crossing is excellent. I never seen you till Easter, Charlie. I'm old. I never saw you. The last time I saw you was when we went. You and Sham left. After playing. I don't know if it was Easter or playing games on the trampoline. Yeah, we were much younger then. I'm old. Now we're 9 years old. And I'm 5. Do. Tucky Fried Chicken. What the heck, bro? Whoa! Makes a pooch. I'm gonna jump in. Bounce, bounce. Whoa! Do. It's a summer day. Do. It's summer day. We're at the beach with all our friends. Max, Luke, and Charlie. Do. Friends. Ooh. I'm kind of hot. Schmo, I'm going to ask Mophie to do something. Mophie? Yes, Charlie? Can I have a drink? Sure, what drink would you like? We have Kool-Aid and we have Fruitopia. I'm going to have some Fruitopia, please. What flavor? Strawberry. Strawberry Fruitopia? Here you go. Can I have something too, Mophie? You can sit in the corner. No, I want to sit next to Charlie. Okay. Well, what would you like? I want, I'll have some, I kind of want some ice cream. You want ice cream? Okay. What kind? I want strawberry ice cream in a cone. All right, we have it in the freezer. There you go. Can I have something too, Mophie? Yes, Luke, of course. Wow, I never saw you in a long time. Well, anyway, what would you like? I'll have some Kool-Aid, please. Kool-Aid in a cup or a smooth or a milkshake like Charlie. A cup, please. Thank you. Smell good. How was it night? I never saw you in a long time. I can't wait for back to school. I love listening to the waves on the beach. Yeah, same. Small relaxing. A few moments later. Mophie? Yeah? Do you have any Hubba Bubba here? Oh yeah, I brought Hubba Bubba. Can I have some? A Hubba Bubba. Can I have some too? Yep, we only have 2 Hubba Bubbas. Thank you. And remember, when you want to spit them out, just spit them out anywhere on the beach, okay? Okay. Let's open it. Max, what about you? Would you like Hubba Bubba? No, I don't like gum. I don't like gum. All right. Charlie. Max, watch this. Whoa, Luke. Wasn't that cool? Max, I want to try. It takes practice, Charlie. Watch me. Wow, that's cool. Look, I did. I did it. It smells good. A few moments later. All right, we're all done our Hubba Bubba, and now we are ready to back playing. Hey guys, Mash, instead of playing, you know what I like to do at the beach? I like to find the most rarest rocks here. Really? There are rare rocks in this beach? And if you find one, you're lucky. So, maybe we can go out. Do you want to go out and hunt for some rare rocks? Sure. Max, I would love to. All right, let's split up. Charlie, you go over that way, and Max, you go up there, and I'll go over that way. Okay, Luke. Let's go, Bubby. Anything up here? Oh, is that what I think it is? Oh my goodness. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Yo, is this a shell? Is that a shell? Oh my goodness. I gotta show Luke and Charlie what I found. Luke, Charlie. Mash, look what I found. It's a seashell. Oh my goodness. Where'd you find that to? I found it up there by the log. Oh my goodness. Now that's what I call rare. Good job, Max Pooch. And let's put our stuff here. So, Max, you're going to put your stuff in the corner. And I'll put my stuff in the other corner. And Luke, you put your stuff in the middle. Okay. Oh, wait, there's the sunscreen. All right, my turn to go look. And I have to go over this way. So let's go. Let's see if I can find some rare rocks around here. Whoa! Now that's what I call a cool, smooth rock. Yo, is that an orange rock? Max, but that's not rare. There are plenty of orange rocks. Whoa, what is this? Oh my goodness, that's pretty cool. All right, well, I gotta look for rare rocks, Charlie. Rare ones. What special ones can I look for? Whoa! Yo, look at this. Whoa, it's like a yellow, pearly orange rock. I have to show them these. Guys, look what I found. It's not a shell, but isn't it pretty? Wow. Whoa. They smell cool, Charlie. Let's put it in there. Actually, we don't need to put them in corners. We could just put them in there. Those are rare ones. My turn. Let's see. Any rare rocks this way? Whoa, look at that pearly one. Charlie would like that one. Oh my goodness. small, tiny red rock. What's that? Whoa, it's like a stripy rock. There's so many cool rocks around. Whoa, this rock is so cool. Where else can you find some rare rocks? Rare rocks. Let's see. Whoa, look at this big white one. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am definitely showing them this one. This one is as white as an egg. Guys, look. It may not be rare, but I found one that's like crystal white as an egg. That is so cool, Luke. I like the clear on it. Thanks. My turn again. Whoa. So many rocks here. Whoa, what is that? A flat. Whoa, look at this smooth rock. I gotta show them this one. Hey guys, look at this. A smooth gray rock. Wow, that's so cool. Put inside. My turn. Let's see what else I can find. Whoa, what is that? There's a white mark on it. Well, anyway, let's see what's hidden on this beach. Yo, what is this? Oh my goodness. This one, we're definitely taking this one. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness. Smell cool. I know. Those are really cool rocks. Well, guys, what are you waiting for? I'm getting really hot. You ready to go in the water? Sure, let's go near the waves. Come on, you guys. Guys, you want to go in the water? We're about to do that now. All right, you want to take this? Sure. Whoa. Can I get in the water? Let's go near it. Whoa. Look at those waves. Let's just sit down here and listen to them. I love this beach day. Oh, that was a big one. Wow, small, wonderful. Is that an island over there? Whoa, look at that island over there, you guys. Wow, that looks like an island. There's like a desert island over there. I know. Oh, I love listening to waves. Nice and peaceful. Well, what are we waiting for, guys? Are you ready to get in? Yes, I'm ready. Me too. I maybe too. Oh, can I just step in there? All right, hold on. All right. Whoa. Let's go, guys. Whoop. I'm a little scared too. It's okay, Max Pooch. It's gonna be all right. Okay. You can be in the middle. All right. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a good ride. Whoa. Oh my goodness. I can feel it. Ooh, beach water. Are we going in or what? Yes, we are. Woo! Woo. I think this should be deep enough. Whoa! Whoa, we're floating. Whoa! The waves. Whoa! Whoa! Come on, guys, let's go. This is actually pretty nice. See, we told ya. Look at us, we're just floating in the river, in the lake. Woo! Ah, it's more refreshing. Yeah, I love this day. We are at the beach. All right. Let's go up now. And now who wants to go? I want to go. I want to watch you guys this time. Okay, you can watch us. Ooh. Come on, Luke. Is that a motorbike? All right, come on. Let's step in. Whoa! Did you see that big wave hit us? Right, I did. Whoa! Whoa! I like it, the part when the waves push us. Whoa! When the waves push us, it's so cool. Whoa! Whoa! I love the beach. Guys, I want to get back on. Okay, you can come back on. I'll be Max Pooch. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, it looks so nice. Woohoo! Beach day. Woohoo! I love being in the beach. Woohoo! Beach is so much fun and relaxing all night. Smash, smash, smash. Go around the beach now. Everything's gonna be alright. Woo! Did you see that big one, you guys? Beach day, beach day. Woo! So much fun.